Did you know a Google app was silently installed on your phone after the last update? You never approved it. You never saw it. And it can scan the photos in your gallery. Let me show you what it is and why you should care. What's going on? After a recent Android update, Google automatically added a hidden system app called Android System Safety Core. It doesn't appear in your app drawer, but if you use Gmail, Google Maps, or the Play Store, it's already running on your phone. And honestly, installing apps without clearly informing users is not okay. What this app does: this app is designed to analyze images stored in your gallery. Think about how you use your phone. People save important documents, ID cards, password screenshots, and personal photos. Even a simple screenshot goes straight into your gallery. This app scans those images to detect sensitive or age-restricted content, where the scanning is enabled. To see how this works, open your Messages app, the normal SMS app. Tap your profile icon at the top. Go to Settings. Scroll down and open Security. Now tap Interaction with Confidential Content. If this option is enabled, your gallery images are analyzed before being sent. Privacy reality. Check. Google says the scanning stays on your device. But let's be realistic, these systems rely on Google algorithms and services. That means your private data is involved in some way. This feature makes sense if a child uses the phone. But if you're an adult, you probably don't need your gallery being scanned. Where to find and remove the app? Now let me show you where this app is actually hiding. Go to Phone Settings, scroll down and tap Google. Open All Services. Then go to System Services. Here, you'll find Android System Safety Core. You can uninstall it. Google itself says, removing this app won't affect your phone's performance at all. I don't trust apps that arrive silently and interact with my private photos, so I removed it. Now, you know what's really running on your phone. Most people don't.